day everyone, myself Mohit Kumar. Now I am studying in RNTC Center Jamshedpur. My course name is Tool and Die Engineering and my topic is vernier caliper. These are the content: introduction, principle of vernier caliper, list count, error in vernier caliper, short video, types of vernier caliper, precautions to be taken in use. Vernier caliper. Vernier caliper was invented in 1631 by the French mathematician Paris Vernier. The uses of vernier caliper: measure internal, measure external diameter, measure thickness, measure depth, measure length. Principle of vernier caliper. Vernier principle: when the two scale, main scale and auxiliary scale or division straightly different in the size are used, the difference between them can be utilized to change the accuracy of measurement. Least count. Capability of instrument to be measured minimum distance accurately. It represents the accuracy of measurement. Difference between the value of the main scale division and auxiliary scale division. Least count of vernier instrument. Least count of vernier instrument also can be calculated as least count is equal to value of minimum division of the main scale divided by number of division of auxiliary scale. Error in vernier caliper. Error due to play between the side jaw and the fixed scale bar. Error due to wear and warping of jaws. Error due to incorrect observation of the scale reading. Error due to excess force on moving jaw. Error is also introduced if the line of measurement does not coincide with the line of the scale. Error. Zero error. Vernier scale 0 and the main scale meet each other. Positive error. Vernier scale 0 is the different. Vernier scale 0 is after main scale. Negative error. Vernier scale 0 is before main scale. This is a short video.
The purpose of vernier scale attached to the main scale is to measure the length accurately up to a fraction of smallest length that can be measured with the help of main scale. Now close jaws J1 and J2 with the help of button B. You will see that 0 of the main scale coincides with 0 of the vernier scale. This means that when jaws J1 and J2 are closed such that the total length of the n divisions on the vernier scale is equal to n-1 divisions on the main scale. Thus, the principle of a vernier is to make n vernier scale divisions or VSD equal to n-1 main scale divisions or MSD. Therefore, we have n vernier scale divisions equal to n-1 main scale divisions. Here, capital N means the number of divisions. Indeed, we know that the vernier scale has 10 divisions and are exactly equal to 9 divisions on the main scale. Therefore, 1 VSD is equal to 9 divided by 10 MSD. Thus, the main scale is graduated in millimeters, whose 1 MSD is 1 millimeter. Therefore, 1 vernier scale division equal to 0.9 millimeters. Note that the value of vernier scale is less than that of main scale. The difference between the value of main scale division and vernier scale division represents the smallest length that can be measured. The smallest measurement that can be measured by the use of a vernier scale along with the main scale is called the least count of the vernier. In other words, the difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division is called least count or LC. Therefore, we have least count is equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division.
Types of vernier caliper. There are 3 types of vernier caliper: analog vernier caliper, dial vernier caliper, digital vernier caliper. Analog vernier caliper. In vernier scale, there are n number of divisions as per as manufacture. Vernier caliper is made up of stainless steel. Dial vernier caliper. This is the part of a dial vernier caliper. Inside measuring face, dial, clamp screw, blade, fine adjustable screw, dial clamp screw, outside measuring face. Digital vernier caliper. In digital vernier caliper, display window is made up of hard plastic. Precautions to be taken in use of vernier caliper. No play should there between sliding and fixed jaw. If play exists, then the accuracy of the vernier caliper will be lost. The tip of measuring jaw should not be worn. Using the dictionary jaw of reference point and obtain measured point by sliding the movable jaw. Vernier caliper must allow be properly balanced in the hard and held lightly the slide jaw through adjusting screw. Do not push the moving jaw under pressure. Use adjusting screw for the fine adjustment. In case of the measurement and outside diameter, be sure that caliper bar and the plane of the caliper jaw are truly perpendicular to the work piece longitudinal center line. Thank you.